Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can scan the striped suit dove in Heartopia for the bird picture. So you will need to initiate or join the actor dove bird watching event. It's in the forest area. You will see it in the map. I do have a video on this previously, so if you don't know where it is, you want to watch that one first. And basically, you will need to get to the second phase. It was hard to get to the next phase at first, but I kind of know the tricks. So I did it by myself, no help needed. Basically, you will need to complete your personal and the team goals as well. Then you will need to take pictures of you need to scan as many birds as you can, and you will need to pop every bubble that pops up near you. Um, and you also, it works for me when it's raining, so maybe do that because you will get 5 stars when it's raining for the stretch wings pose, and that's the easiest to get it when it's raining. So I suggest you doing that. And once you have reached the second phase, you will need to move to a different area, and you'll then find the striped suit dove, which finally I got it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!